hidden beneath the murky water, patient, still and ready, waiting to strike the first helpless victim, who tries to quench their thirst. In a thrusting whip of their tail, they launch, locking their vice-like jaws. An unforgiving grip latched to its prey. Almost no chances of escape. Forced beneath the dark shallows of the water's surface, the victim is submerged and drowned before being ripped to shreds. Crocodiles are ambush hunters. With their eyes and nostrils on top of their skull, they are able to submerge their entire body. They lie and wait, sometimes hours. And in stealth mode, they are able to creep up on the prey and attack almost silently. They have no preference. The bigger the better. No remorse. Amazingly, sometimes the prey escapes. Often there are some lucky ones. Adapted to the environment and the resources offered, crocodiles have established a method of hunting bat. As the bats fly down for a drink of water, the crocodiles strike, snatching the bats from the air. Every attempt is not successful, but lots of the time they succeed. Crocodiles have been observed working in unison, positioning themselves in the assumption the others are positioned where they need to be. With their large-scaled tail, they are able to propel themselves out of the water, catapulting nearly the entire length of their body. There is no safe way to approach the water's edge. It's always a coin toss. You might come away with your thirst quenched. You might not come away at all.